G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making my favourite chicken and pesto pasta. It is the bee's knees and you'll love it. Let's get into it. Alrighty, let's get into it. So, the ingredients for today is obviously some chicken. We've got our pesto, obviously. Don't get home brand, it's shit. Spend the extra. Feta for the garnish. Some walnuts, gotta have walnuts. And pasta. So, with the pasta, you can have any type of pasta realistically. I'm going to use this one today. You can have the hollow pasta, I don't know what it's called, but you can do that if you want to change it up. And some dried tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes if you like. I just like dried tomatoes because it just tastes bloody good. So yeah. Now, let's get the cutting. Alright, so I've just rinsed my chicken. So you want to make sure to rinse the chicken and get all that sticky shit off it from whatever it is. Now, you just want to pat each of them with a tea towel or a, whatever these are called. What are they called? Paper towel. You can use a tea towel, but paper towel easier. So just want to pat these bad boys off. Nice and dry. Okay, so I have patted down and rinsed my chicken so it's nice and dry on the outside. These are massive breasts. Look at these bad boys. Bloody hell, what are these fucking steroids? Alright, so we're going to slice these in half. You can cut these in cubes, but it's optional. Or you can actually crumb your chicken. But I'm just going to cut these in half because they're fucking massive. And then I'm going to fry them and then slice them at the end. Beautiful, just like that, nicely cut in half. And you want to do those to all four of them. Look at that, beautiful. All nicely cut in half, easy as pie. We can cut them in cubes. Now I'm going to fry these bad boys. You can chuck them in the oven if you like, but I'm going to fry them. So let's get the cooking. Make sure to heat up your pans, obviously. I've got my water going for my pasta. With your pasta water, add a bit of salt, a few crunches in there. Some people add olive oil, but so let's add the olive oil to the pan. Oh, nice. Now I'm going to chuck our chicken on. If I can put the bloody lid back on. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, are we ready for a good sizzle? Oh, not bad at all. Chuck those on top. Caution, it's going to get bloody noisy. So we've cooked our chicken, as you could obviously see, and we are finished with the pasta. Make sure you don't snap your pasta in half, because you'll get a little Italian lady with a wooden spoon coming after you. So, don't snap your pasta in half, and save yourself some pasta water, okay? So, get yourself a cup, collect some of that sexy juice, yeah? I don't have much, but she'll do. There we go, should be enough, I think. I'll get some more later. So the heat's off and let's strain this pasta. Let's go. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add the pasta to the fry pan. and then we're going to add our pesto and our dried tomatoes with it. Make sure your heat is on low. If you're going to put it on high, you're going to burn the shit out of it. So, a touch more olive oil, just like that. And now we're going to add our pasta. Oh, very nice. And now we are going to add our pesto. Now my little sneaky trick to the trade is, now with my pasta, water, I'm going to add it in these jars. Just like so. You're probably like, why are you doing that? Well, you shall see. Add the lid back on. Oh, look at that. It's so good. Boom. Very nice. Now, get your tongs. Rip her in there. For the life of me, I can't open this fucking thing. Open your cunt. Ah, there we go. Now, we've opened it, lovely. Get yourself a fork. Get her in there like that. If you get all the oil in there, it doesn't matter. What we do. Now, like I said before, it is optional to have these. You can use cherry tomatoes if you would like instead. There we have it, ladies and gents. Our pesto pasta. Not bad at all. There we go. Now, we're going to add that with our chicken. We're all finished. This is our finished product, and I hope you guys give it a good look, give it a good go. It's so easy to make, and we made 5 meals out of it for not much. So hope you enjoyed. Give us a sub, give us a like if you like, and bloody see you next time.